Thanks for joining me today for the first video of our trip to Theodore and the Blackdown National Park. On the first day we passed through the ghost town of Cracow, which was founded in 1851, and after 1875 with the find of gold nearby, it boomed until the 1970s when the gold ran out. So the town's virtually been untouched since then. After that we ventured further north and found the intriguing spot on the Dawson River called Cracow Beach, which is a palm grove on the river, which was really unexpected, but a lovely place to visit. And after that we trekked further north to Theodore, and that'll be in the next video. So enjoy.